So today I'm giving you a quick overview of Workday HR and how US companies are automating payroll. But before we dive in, there's something most people don't realize about Workday. Workday is actually a cloud-based enterprise company that offers human capital management, financial management, and business planning solutions. This platform is beneficial because it gives organizations a full suite of cloud-based applications that streamline HR processes, manage finances effectively, all in one ecosystem. If your payroll process still feels slow, confusing, or full of manual fixes, there's one shift inside Workday that makes everything run smoothly. And once you see it, you'll understand why HR teams swear by it. Let me show you the result first before we break down the steps. So imagine this. Payroll calculates itself, employee data syncs automatically, deductions, taxes, time tracking, all handled in one background. No more spreadsheets, no more missing hours, no more last minute corrections. That's the transformation Workday brings when it's set up properly. So how does Workday actually do it? Let me give you a quick version. First, everything starts with core HCM. This holds the employee profile, job details, salary, benefits, and all the data payroll needs. Next is time tracking. Employees clock in, clock out, request PTO, and Workday syncs all of it automatically. Workday payroll itself, this is where the magic happens. Automatic tax calculations, deductions pulled from employee records, real-time validations, and instant error flags. And finally, payroll reports and audits, where Workday shows exactly what changed, who was paid what, and why. This is the moment HR teams realize, and that's my quick breakdown of how Workday HR automates. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech and automation reviews.